ASTATechCenter presents Primavera P6 lesson. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Primavera P6 Professional. Lesson 4. Work Breakdown Structure, WBS. Work Breakdown Structure, WBS, are nothing but the summary activities, and under which, there are sets of child activities. In this lesson, we will cover topics such as WBS concept and creating WBS hierarchy, WBS views, adding WBS to the project. Figure shows the hierarchy of WBS for District School Project, TASMA, DSPT. Figure shows WBS level for District School Project, TASMA, DSPT. Level of WBS, concept. WBS or summary activities. First level is the school project. Mobilization, area cleaning, and leveling, substructure, structure, site development and project class are children of school project and are in level 2. Excavation and foundation are under substructure, in level 3. Frame, block work, roof, interior and exterior under structure and in level 3. Civil work, mechanical, HVAC, electrical work and plumbing are under interior and exterior finish are in level 4. Creating WBS hierarchy. Work breakdown structure, WBS, hierarchy can be created by staying in the District School Project, DSPB, and click WBS tool from left vertical toolbar. The WBS entry window as you see on left side will open up. Use the Add button from right side vertical toolbar to create a line for entry in WBS window. Enter the WBS code and name. More lines can be created by each time clicking the Add button, and a hierarchy can be made by using left and right arrow from left vertical bar. WBS concept and view. Work breakdown structure, WBS, helps in building activities under them, and are managed throughout the project lifecycle. By creating WBS, you can have better control on start and finish dates, expenditures made under activities such as planned and scheduled cost versus actual. After creating WBS a different hierarchy, you can view the same by selecting and opening the project. In the District School Project seen here, the color code are, yellow is level 1, WBS items under green color are level 2, WBS under pink color are level 3 and WBS items under blue color are level 4. Primavera P6 Software Demonstration, Lesson 4. Topics.
Opening District School Project TASMA, DSPT. Adding work breakdown structure, WBS to project and maintaining the hierarchy of WBS. Closely observe the steps so that you get familiar with the sequence of operations. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon.